Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue remaining part of topic tense. In previous video we have seen there are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. In each tense they are having four kinds. In our grammar book 10th lesson simple tenses it is there, means simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. About this information it is given in this 10th topic. This we have seen yesterday in the video. First type of each tense that we have seen. Today your 11th lesson continuous tenses, means present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. This we are going to see today. First, that is a present continuous tense, means what? Definition of it we are going to see now. See here in yellow color box the definition is given. The sentences that show actions that are going on at the time of speaking are said the present continuous tense. Means the sentences what they show? They show that the actions are going on at the time of speaking. Is when you are speaking, that time that actions are going on, and that only it is said to be a present continuous tense. For example, father is teaching my sister, means the action is going on. Father is teaching, he is speaking. Teaching means speaking. The action is going on. Is. So this first example, it is said the example of present continuous tense. In continuous tense, maybe present continuous tense or past continuous tense or future continuous tense. For main verb we add ing. In first sentence, is teaching. These two words indicate that this sentence it is in present continuous tense. Now is, it is the to be verb which we wrote or write in the present tense, and teach, this is main verb, and for that ing is wrote, means teaching. In continuous tense we write for verb or we add for verb ing. So father is teaching my sister. This sentence it is said present continuous tense. In next sentence also, I am baking a cake. I am is helping verb or to be verb you say, and front baking for main verb. Bake is main verb, for that what is add ing, baking. I am baking a cake. So this sentence indicate that it is in present continuous tense. And third one, the wind is blowing his hat away. In this is blowing, these two words indicate that this sentence it is of present continuous tense. Next type we are going to see, that is past continuous tense. What means it? See, the sentences that show actions that were happening at some time in the past are said to be in the past continuous tense. Means the sentence which shows the action that were happening in the past at some time. The action which were happening in the past that are shown with the help of past continuous tense. To understand this definition, we'll see some examples which are given above. First, we were playing scramble when he knocked on the door. Now here, were playing, these two words indicate that this sentence is in past continuous tense. Why we have used were before playing? See, because we, it is a plural pronoun, and if word is plural we add were. Now second sentence, if you see, Sam was going to school when the accident happened. Now here Sam is singular noun, so was came. If singular noun it is there, that time we write was. If plural noun, otherwise plural pronoun if it is there, that time we write were. So in first sentence, we were playing scramble when he knocked on the door, it is wrote. Next sentence, they were talking. They is plural pronoun, so what came? They were talking. Now were talking, it indicates it is in past continuous tense. If continuous come, for main verb what come? Ing. So playing, going, talking, for this main verb what come? Ing. And which is the correct helping word? That is wrote before the main verb. Next type we are going to see, that is future continuous tense. What is definition of future continuous tense? See, the sentences that show action that will be happening in the future are said to be in the future continuous tense. Means the action, the sentence that show the action that will be happening in the future. In the future it is going on. Like this action which sentence show, that sentence is said to be a future continuous tense. Now some examples we'll see. First, Seema will be singing at the gathering tonight. Now here will be singing. These words indicate this sentence it is in future continuous tense. And future tense we use shall and will. Already we have seen previous video. Shall will we use because it is future tense. And now here continuous, future continuous it is there. So with the main verb, in first sentence main verb is singing or sing, and for that what is added? Ing, means for main verb we add ing, and it is future continuous tense. So after will we use be, means Seema will be singing at the gathering tonight, means she will be singing in future when at gathering tonight. With noun or pronoun we use will. So after Seema what is there? Will. Now second sentence I is there. With I what we use? Shall. Now, I shall be going to school again from next week. Now this sentence shall be going. These words indicate this sentence is in future continuous tense. I is there, so shall came, and shall be. Future continuous tense it is there, so what we wrote? Shall be. And going what? For main verb go is there, for that we have added ing, means to indicate future continuous tense we have to use this helping word shall or will, and with that be, and front for main verb we have to add ing. Now last sentence, Arya will be writing a play for the school magazine. Now here will be writing, this sentence or these words, it indicates it is in future continuous tense. Now here Arya is also noun, so what came? Will come, and after will be is there, be writing. Why? Because it is future continuous tense. In future continuous tense after will we add be, and for main verb what we add? Ing. So it come Arya will be writing a play for the school magazine. I hope all of you understood this topic. Today's homework, students, you have to read page number 41 and 42. Thank you. Have a nice day.